Industrialized construction, it's kind of taking off-site construction and prefabrication to the next level. You can take certain portions of it and move it into a factory environment, do the construction off-site, bring it to site. Industrialized construction is kind of just those efforts to me on steroids. It's focusing not only on building things in a controlled environment and then bringing them to the site for assembly and installation, but finding more repeatable portions of construction and turning that into a more manufactured approach. So you can prefabricate on any job. There's a lot of benefits to approaching construction through that delivery method. It's safer, you're moving efforts into a controlled environment, and it's more cost effective when you can control where you're building and what you're building over and over again. It's more effective with labor resources, with material resources, and then making less waste.